Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to apply a job in McDonald's online. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, just go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Now in here in the URL box, just type in McDonald's. All right. Job. Just go ahead and hit on enter. Now in here, just click on McDonald's Restaurant Global Careers. Click on it. Now you have restaurant jobs right here, corporate, or become a franchise. All right, for example, restaurant jobs, click on it. And there will be a form right here, maybe crew member right here. And then type down your zip code, okay? For example, 9400. Like so, hit on a search. There will be available applications right here. Just go ahead and find what is suitable. For example, maybe crew team member. Hit on apply now. A new page will pop up. Just wait for it. All right, as you can see here, for my region, it is not currently available, but if you're lucky enough, if it's available in your region, you can go ahead and fill up the form. Okay, there will be a form right here. You will enter your name, something like that. Application form, you know. And once done, just hit on submit and wait for their reply via email that you entered in the application form. That's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.